Alright, here's a video tutorial on how to enter in booking links. Okay, we'll go to customize. Alright, and once I go to customize, instead of you going to sections, you would actually go to theme settings. When you go to theme settings, it says add booking. Alright, so click add booking. And you want to read this in entirety. It says add page called booking and set that page's template to option page dot booking. Click here to add page. So if this is your first time doing this, you would have to go here. Typically, if you've done this a couple times, you already know to go to pages and add booking. But that's just for the first time users. It shows you where to go. So all it does is take me here to this side, the same spot where it says online store things, blogs, and then pages. It just took me to pages. Your typical page templates are going to be just regular page. You click here, you select this to page booking, right? You name it. You can name it whatever you want to name it. I'm just going to name it something simple like booking. Save it. Now, if you wanted to add it to your navigation, you can do one or two things. You can either add it to navigation here. You can add it to navigation here. This is just putting it in the slide out menu. If you also wanted to add the menu, add the booking in the menu. So it takes you to the navigation. You select main menu, hit add menu item, and you want to search for that page, right? So you click link. It's not a search, it's not a collection, it's not a product, it's a page. Select page, and now booking is showing available. If booking doesn't show available here, that means you didn't already create the page. So even though it's linked to booking on the back end, you can change the name on the front end and name it book me or book us. Apply, and then you save it. All right. Then you go back to online store. You go back into customize. Now before the first time to add it, so actually, well, so we want to add it to our home page somewhere. So let's say we got our products, we have our services. So this client, we put a menu link, we go to home page, and I'm gonna look for the second headline because that's our services. So if I click the second headline, it says our services. Boom, I know it's right there. So I know I want to put my booking link under that. I'll add content. Most likely, I could either add a collection or I could add hmm, a image to make that look good. I think I'm going to choose, or you could add a button too, or a parallax to make it look cooler. So let's do a parallax. All right. So a parallax gives it that scroll effect. So there's a lot of different things you could have added right there. All right. So let's say right now the parallax is here. Oh well, we gotta save it. So let's save it. Uh, oh well, I got it all the way at the bottom. Sorry. So I have it here. I have to remember to grab it and drag it up. Grab and drag it up. So now it should be directly under our services. That's the little parallax effect. Alright, click here and you can change the height if you want to make it slimmer. Alright, and as you scroll, or we can make it a little bit thicker. We can darken the background. Boom, so now we can write some words on it. Come visit. It always jumps over. Come visit us at our salon. Alright, you can change the font color. white. Change the font. I'm just gonna grab something. Boom. Alright. Add a text shadow to make it stand out. Boom. Text shadow. Make it big. Boom. And then we'll add a button. Book us. Boom. Now we have to actually enter in the link. Alright, so I want to grab the link here. Oh no, sorry. We actually attach it to the page. So we already selected booking, so we attach it to the page. So don't enter the URL link here. Select the page that you want it to go to. Alright, so now it says book us. We can change the background color on book us. So we want this right here, blue. Alright, and I want it to have more down below. I can pull it down. Alright, position from the top. Alright. Alright, and oh no, I'm moving something else. I was moving this. So you got to be mindful of what you're in. I wasn't in parallax. So go back to parallax. Position from the top. Alright, see how that drags down? Alright, I can make the height smaller. Alright, it's looking good, looking good. And I'll change the font color. Probably give it a little pizzazz. Boom. Make the buttons round. Make it look cleaner. Alright, I can change the width. Alright, and I would probably do, that's pretty much it with the parallax. Just because I really don't like the background color of the mailing list. Well, I'll mess with that later. Alright, so then you have to go back. I want to get off track. You have to go back to theme settings, add booking, and then you paste the link here. Alright, so you paste the link for style sheet or acuity scheduling. You have to have style sheet or acuity. As of right now, those are the only two services that we know for sure that works. If they don't have style sheet or acuity, we have to either look into it to see if we can make something else work, or we may have to switch. We may have to get them to switch over. So let's see if it works. All right. Yep. So hire Frederick refused to connect, so that didn't work. So let me try my link. All right. All right. So if I was to drop my acuity scheduling in here. All right. Save it. Yep. Acuity works just fine. Alright, so there we go. And we got the book us and everything in there. So if we click it to book us, it'll go right to the booking. Alright, so that's pretty much it.